In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by going into settings and tapping on battery section after scrolling down. Then scroll down again and tap on more settings at the bottom. Last but not least, to enable high performance mode, use gray switcher next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To switch it off, tap on the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!